Tina. I've been using this shampoo bar for 1 year and the result is very amazing. It has made my hair very soft and shiny. Whenever I use the shampoo, it's not harsh to my hair, and the smell is very refreshing as well. It is not just good for our hair, it is also environment friendly as well, as this is not plastic packed and it doesn't use any chemicals. It doesn't harm the rivers or pollute our landfills. So for now, I'm going to show you how to use it. To wash your hair with the natural shampoo bar is easy. It's just different from conventional shampoo. First, wet your hair very well. Then wet the shampoo bar very well too. There are two techniques that you can use. The first technique is you lather the bar in your hands and you bring the lather into your hair a few times. Use your fingers as a comb to bring the lather from your scalp down to your hair length. The second technique is you lather the bar in your hand, bring the lather on your scalp, and then gently rub the bar on your scalp. It's very important to lather the bar well and distribute the lather on your hair length with your fingers. If you rub the bar on your hair too much, it will leave soap residue on your hair and it will be difficult to remove, especially there at the nape of the neck. I usually wash my hair twice. The first time is to remove the dirt and the second time is to nourish and condition. Then rinse a lot. Make sure that all the shampoo is rinsed. It takes a bit of time to rinse completely. Once all the shampoo is rinsed off, do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I prepared my rinse before. Pour the rinse on your scalp and let it spread down onto your hair length. Leave it on for a few minutes. Apple cider vinegar is amazing for the hair. It keeps the scalp healthy and makes your hair soft and shiny. If you can't find apple cider vinegar easily, any other natural vinegar will do a good job too. Don't worry about the vinegar smell. When your hair is dry, the smell totally disappears. If your water is hard, it will make it difficult for you to completely remove the shampoo off your hair. This might cause your hair look waxy, gummy. In that case, you can also use citric acid rinse instead of the apple cider rinse. Do it once in a while. There is a lot of citric acid in lemon juice. You can use lemon juice as well. If you prefer to use your usual conditioner, use it if it works well for you. Remember, everyone's hair is different, and with the natural product, you need to find out what techniques work best for you. There is an adjustment period of 1 to 3 weeks. It goes faster for short hair. During the first week, your hair might look funny, gummy, flaky. It's detoxifying and finding its own balance. After a few weeks, it's all okay.